These conversations sound simple, but in real life, they can be hard to understand. Let's practice together and make it easy.
Hi, I'm sorry to bother you. I'm your new neighbor from apartment 12.
Hi, nice to meet you. I'm Sophia.
Nice to meet you too. I just wanted to introduce myself. Have you lived here long?
Almost 2 years. It's a quiet building usually.
That's good to hear. I work from home, so I hope I won't make too much noise.
No problem. By the way, the internet sometimes stops working on the 3rd floor. Have you had any problems?
Not yet, but good to know. Do you know any good shops or restaurants nearby?
Yes. There's a nice supermarket 2 minutes away and a fantastic Italian restaurant around the corner. Their pizza is the best.
Great. Maybe we can go there together one evening?
Sure, why not? Welcome to the building. If you need anything, sugar, tools, or just advice, feel free to knock.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. What are you going to do after university?
I'm not sure yet. I want to travel for a few months, but my parents say I should start looking for a job immediately.
Traveling sounds amazing. Where would you like to go?
I dream of visiting Italy and Japan. I love their food and culture.
Nice. I went to Italy last summer. The people are so friendly and the pasta is incredible.
Really? I need your recommendations.
Of course. But tell me, why does your family want you to find a job right away?
They worry about money. I understand them, but I also want some time for myself. Before adult life starts.
I think both are important. Maybe you can find a part-time job and still travel?
That's a good compromise. Thanks for listening. It helps to talk about it.
Anytime. We all have these big questions.
Excuse me, can you help me? I'm looking for a good book, but I don't know where to start.
Hi. Of course, I'd love to help. What kind of books do you like?
Something easy and interesting. I'm learning English, so maybe a simple novel or a storybook.
Great. I can recommend a book called Fantalia. It's a light fantasy story. Very easy to read and engaging.
Really? What's it about?
It's about a magical world full of fantastic creatures, adventure, and self-discovery. The story is simple, but very atmospheric and inspiring.
That sounds amazing. I love fantasy stories like that.
Then you will enjoy it. The language is clear, so it's perfect for learning English.
That's exactly what I need. Do you also have an audiobook?
Yes, we do. You can listen and read at the same time.
Perfect. I'll take it. Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. Come back anytime if you want more recommendations.